My lovely child, don't give up. I know you are under attack in your finances, your health, and your relationships. That is just a sign that you are close to your breakthrough. The enemy has declared war against you and your family. But I have declared peace, victory, healing, and blessings over your life, and my word is final. So get up and start your day. Be encouraged because the blessing you have been praying for is at your doorstep. Just open the door. Self affirmation: I am worthy of all that I desire. I am an amazing person, and I am finding what I need to thrive. I am patient as I welcome all that is meant for me. I love who I am becoming. I am deserving of love, abundance, peace, and success. I trust in divine timing. Forgive anyone who caused you pain or harm. Keep in mind that forgiving is not for others. It is for you. Forgiving is not forgetting. It is remembering without anger. It frees up your power, heals your body, mind, and spirit. Type yes to affirm.